Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into day 4 of the SQL challenge from Preprector. It's a medium difficulty level question and we are practicing into functions here. So we are working with a table called customer sales which records transaction at a retail store. The table has three columns: ID, transaction value, and created at, which is the date and time of each transaction. Now the problem is we write a query to get the last transaction for each day. That means for each date in the table we want to return transaction that occurred last based on the time, date time. Our final output should include the ID of the transaction, date time of transaction, and the transaction amount, and order the transaction by date time. So let's take a quick example to understand the data. On January 23rd, there are three transactions, and the last one has ID 3. On January 24th, there are two transactions, and ID 4th is the last one. And on January 25th, we have three transactions and ID 8 is the last one. So mm, uh, we are going to use window function to solve this. So let's go ahead and write the query. Select ID, transaction value created at, and we need row number over, we will partition by each date. So we have date time, but we will partition by date. So we have to cast the created at to date, created at as date, order by created at desc- descending order, as we'll give this column name RN from customer sales. If we run this query, we'll get row number. This query partitions the data by date and orders each partition in descending order of time. That means the most last transaction will get row number 1. We only want those rows which has row number 1, rn equals to 1. So we'll filter this data. So we'll wrap this query in a city rank with rankings as select from rankings. So we need ID, transaction value, and created at from rankings where rn equals to 1, and we need to order the data by created at. If we run this query, so we will get the last transaction for each day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you are finding this series helpful.